is an easy and accessible platform for job seekers. Here are some tips that will help you create a LinkedIn profile that will stand out in front of the recruiters. Use a professional display picture where your face is visible and clear. Either click the picture in a neat background or remove the background using tools like Canva, remove.ai or remove.bg. Use an eye-catchy profile headline that describes what you do. For example, if you are a developer and are interested in game development, then you can write game developer at electronic arts and languages you know with any of the skills you possess. Leverage the People tab on LinkedIn to build better connections. To do so, you can go to any company page. Let's take Google. Go to its People tab, filter by location, choose the department you would like to work in, and choose how you are connected with them. Build relevant connections by sending connection requests while sending them using the Add Note option, which has 300 word limit. Try to add a bit.ly link of your resume, because if you add the drive link, the 300 word limit will exceed and you won't be able to write a message. The message can go like, "Hi, this is XYZ. I'm looking for a software developer role in your company. Please let me know if there are any relevant openings." Now, an interesting thing you can do is also reach out to people by typing "hiring for front-end developers," as a lot of hiring managers do add hiring now in their bio. In this way, you can reach out to the right people. Add relevant skills to your LinkedIn and ask your connections or friends to endorse your skills. For a software developer, you can add programming languages like Java, C++ or so as your skills. We hope these tips will help you enhance your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.